XRP Tipbot. The XRP Tipbot is a bot that allows users to send XRP tokens through comments. The robot allows people to send XRP tips to show appreciated users' content. They just have to type in XRP Tipbot's code and it will automatically send XRP tokens to the person who has commented on the video or article. Once it's done so, the robot will send a message to the XRP tokens with it. XRP Tipbot is a platform that enables users to send and receive XRP through the touch of a button. It works on Twitter, Reddit, Discord, and Stripe. And thousands of other users can send XRP this way. Recently, it's integrated into Skype. This means that more people can send and receive XRP. To learn more about XRP Tipbot, keep listening. XRP Tipbot is available on Twitter, Reddit, and its own website. The bot is maintained by Pepperoo, and it can be found on a number of informational sites. To receive tips, simply follow the instructions of the bot's feed. You can use the bot to send XRP to users. The XRP Tipbot works by identifying the mentions in a conversation and determining whether the person was tipping or talking about XRP Tipbot. Then, if the mention was positive, the XRP is transferred into the tippy's account within the XRP Tipbot's database. Once transferred, the tippy will receive additional amounts of XRP in their account. Because some users use multiple social media platforms, the XRP Tipbot only shows the tipping information for one. XRP Tipbot can work by both Casino Coin and XRP. To use Tippy, you need to connect the XUMM wallet to your mobile device. If you do not want to use Tippy, you can load the Tipbot externally. Alternatively, you can use Tippy to send XRP tips to others without having the Tippy app installed on your device. The main advantage of Tippy is that it's free and very easy to use. Ripple's native currency. If you heard of Ripple, you've probably seen its native currency, XRP. This currency is used as a bridge between currency of other cryptos and fiat currencies. It's inexpensive, fast, trustless, and all which are significant advantages of cross-border transactions. The native currency of Ripple has been fluctuating around the $1 mark since its release in late 2017, but it's projected to top 1,000 within the next decade. XRP is Ripple's native currency, and the company is not disclosing its revenue sources. Ripple is a private company registered in Delaware. It doesn't reveal how much it makes from its software or professional services. However, the company is rapidly expanding and building partnerships, including partnerships with Western Union and MoneyGram. This is a positive development for Ripple, which is looking to capitalize on the current hype surrounding digital currencies. To begin trading Ripple, you first need to sign up for an exchange. Most exchanges are beginner-friendly and require only basic personal information, such as your name, email, address, and phone number. However, some exchanges may require more information, including your address, phone number, and credit card information in order to verify your identity. To learn more about the Ripple works, listen to some of the information you can find on Ripple. Trading strategies. Traders should use a combination of effective XRP trading strategies to risk management to ensure profit. The goal is to balance a portfolio and not let emotions get in the way. This way, they can reap profits that once come from balancing the portfolio. Here are some trading strategies to consider. Let's talk about one strategy to use, which is CFDs, contracts for difference. This method allows traders to bet on the value of a digital resource without having to wait for it to reach a predetermined price. Unlike future CFDs, they do not require a trader to make a purchase or sell. There's less risk involved. Another strategy is to hedge or open a position opposite to the main investment in Ripple. Hedging allows investors to minimize their losses during the market conditions that are unfavorable for their investments. Alternatively, trader can use a swing trading strategy. Swing traders hold positions for longer periods of time, banking on directional trends. For instance, Billy Short sells 10,000 XRP at 22 cents and closes his position when Ripple reaches a certain value. Here it's $300, but the profits may be limited by fees and commissions. However, a combination of both methods, Ripple trading can be profitable and a great endeavor. XRP price. If you're using a cryptocurrency investigator and looking for price tips, it's important to know the market sentiment. Although Ripple is bigger than many smaller coins, it tends to follow the trend of the overall market. During the past few weeks, there have been a few news stories about cryptocurrencies that have damaged sentiment. For example, things going on overseas may be a current issue that we have to keep in mind when it comes to Ripple. Why the XRP price has continued to rise, it has been under pressure from different types of regulatory concerns. Regulatory issues have shown a slowness of growth of XRP, but these issues will be a thing in the past when XRP will continue at upward momentum. For more information about XRP price predictions, go ahead and check out some of the information in this video as we talk a little bit more further about how you can make investments in this cryptocurrency with low trading fees. The SEC case. This was a big setback for Ripple, but the company had won its access to internal documents. As a result, they are confident that XRP will go up in the future. If Ripple manages to get through the SEC investigation, the price of Ripple may hit $1 by the end of 2022. If Ripple's SEC case is a loss, XRP will drop to about 68 cents, which represents 15 times ROI. And since most investors think Ripple is just a hype, we don't know exactly how to feel about that. The XRP Ledger, whether you're new to cryptocurrency or veteran, there are things you should know about the ledger. One important tip to understand is how transactions are calculated. If your transaction is less than transactional value, you'll need to send extra to cover the fee. However, if you're using the XRP Ledger to make payments, you can keep the balance in an account earning interest. Another useful tip is to know your system's pathfinding mechanism. Pathfinding can be abused by third parties, so you want to make sure to use destination tags to accurately track incoming payments. Be sure to specify the issuing address, sending information to your XRP Ledger. Incorrect issuing addresses can cause currency to be delivered to the wrong address. So to avoid this problem, send your information and your Ledger payments to the right destination on the tag method. Before buying XRP, you should check the different payment methods supported by trading different platforms. Different exchanges may not support them all. Different funding channels attract different transactional fees and settle payment after different durations. The most expensive method to use is a credit card, debit card. It's fastest, but requires no other verification. Debit card is the fastest way to purchase XRP. However, it can cost you a lot of money. Trading news. The latest XRP trading news will focus likely on the cryptocurrency's future. The digital currency is rapidly losing its top spot in the coin market, caps global currency ranking, so any news about XRP is important for the cryptocurrency community. Ripple XRP trading news provides a variety of valuable insights, including price analysis, market conditions, forecasts, and community sentiment. These are just a few important factors to consider when interpreting XRP news. First, it is important to note that SEC case against Ripple will have a first hearing relatively soon, and they'll discuss the volatility of the cryptocurrency. As more banks use Ripple services, the price of XRP will likely rise. Furthermore, Ripple is working with major banks for cross-border payments. As a result, more adoption may boost the price of XRP. In addition, XRP is supported by many banks, including USB, Axo Bank, Westpac, NBADs, Santander, UniCredit, and American Express. While the SEC lawsuit is still underway, Ripple has already fallen 20%, with a peak at 77 cents and 61 cents. The cryptocurrency has retreated relative to other major coins. One Bitcoin has bought at 50,000 XRP by the end of March, but now sells for nearly 6,000. Meanwhile, Ethereum would now buy more than 6,000 XRP. Moreover, the coin is on sale. Ripple secrets, how they affect the price of XRP, and the company that controls a major amount of XRP supply. There are many other RipRP secrets that you may not know about. So this video is going to talk about some of these secrets so we can be in alert, so we can better make decisions. Better understand why, let's start by discussing what makes XRP different from other cryptocurrencies. So here are some of these secrets. XRP is a banker's coin. XRP is a cryptocurrency that's being used to facilitate cross-border payments and currency exchanges. Compared to Bitcoin transactions, XRP takes seconds to hours. Because of these advantages, XRP has the potential to offer a better method for international payments. However, it's important to note that this video is based on a timeline that's subject to change in the future with XRP's limitations and advantages. But many believe XRP is the next Bitcoin. Its value has fluctuated. It rose 8-fold in the first 4 months of 2021, and in multi year high of $1.84. However, it fell sharply before May, reversing course, and currently trades at around 61 cents. As far as the future goes, it's concerning. Industry experts are bullish about the coin. They believe it'll eventually become a legitimate cryptocurrency, which will attract more investors. Trading strategies. Tradings with Ripple should be a combination of using effective trading strategies and risk management to ensure profit. The goal is to balance a portfolio and not let your emotions get in the way. This way, you can reap the profits that come from balancing a portfolio. Here are some trading strategies to consider. Strategy that uses CFDs. It's very important. So you want to keep this in mind when you are focusing on your strategies, and understand that when it comes to Ripple, there's a lot of great ways that you can make sure that you can put yourself in a great position to be profitable. Understanding that Ripple has a way to really set you up above what may be an expected way to go for cryptocurrencies. Ripple is one of the top 4 cryptocurrencies, so there's a huge benefit to getting involved in this now. If we're right, and the next decade dictates that you can be very profitable with Ripple, then you might want to do your best to do your due diligence to find out ways where you can get in now in the Grand 4 and make sure that you can be profitable. This is an important way for you to secure your future when it comes to cryptocurrency, and also learn and go through the growing pains now, why this is still a time that's early, very early. We're talking about every 6th grader that sells a Snickers candy bar is using cryptocurrency to buy and sell. If it gets to that point where it's like the US dollar, then there might be a chance for you to really take advantage of the opportunities now if you can get in early. So look for those opportunities. That's going to be an important effect on you really figuring out just how much you can do for your cryptocurrency, and also where you want to go for your cryptocurrency. These are things that can be very helpful and beneficial for you long term, and also keep you in a place where you can really understand how crypto works. So with that said, let's go over a little bit of the secrets of Ripple, things that you may want to know that can really help you out. So Ripple, as we know, is a banker's coin. It's a cryptocurrency that's being used to facilitate a sort of cross-border payment system, and a currency that involves exchanges. So compared to Bitcoin, transactions take seconds instead of hours. These are big advantages for XRP Ripple. These are really helpful because they're important to note that this is based on data that is subject to change. That said, it looks like Ripple is going to continue to keep its fluctuation, but its value in terms of efficiency and time. So we talked about it trying to hit that $1 mark, even up to 184. This is what's projected in the next decade. If you are going to get involved in Ripple, I suggest you really keep that in mind and keep that timeline and that essence of the time really important for you as you go about your due diligence, trying to figure out how you can be ahead with Ripple and how you can really understand how it works, communicate it to others. We know it's a decentralized network that relies on an understanding that is a digital asset to process cryptocurrency exchanges. The network itself made up of many different networks. We know this, combined to form a centralized network. Centralized network allows for a company to process currency exchanges without relying on a centralized bank. So in essence, this is the definition of Ripple. It's attempted to minimize uncertainty by limiting the amount of XRP in circulation, 100 billion tokens, pre-mined. As a result, XRP is more likely to achieve a greater adoption compared to other cryptocurrency assets. This is an important benefit that we understand about Ripple. This is great technology. Furthermore, in the next 10 years, it could be even better. So we want to understand what's happening with the timeline and keep all of these valuable bits of information understanding, because as we know, the use of a non-centralized bank is part of the key goals of cryptocurrency and represents one of the trends when it comes to democracy. So XRP is a digital currency that has many uses. This network allows for the exchange of currencies, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. We know this. Transactions on Ripples take 4 to 5 seconds, much faster than a bank wire or Bitcoin that can take up to hours, usually minutes, to verify. The cost is low. We're talking fractions of a cent, 0.0001 cent XRP. The technology is fantastic and also used not only as currency, but other commodities. A decentralized blockchain. And this is important to understand how XRP works on a blockchain freely to exchange other currencies they issue with XRP. So it's a nice bridge between fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. Each currency in the ecosystem has its own gateway to exchange with another currency. For example, we talked about how understanding the process of exchanging currencies can form a chain of trust. So we know Bitcoin relies on miners who work for the network to release Bitcoins as reward for mining. The XRP Ledger, on the other hand, is a decentralized blockchain that relies on permissions, servers that secure software and maintain the node list in order for a transaction to be valid, which 80% of unique nodes on the XRP network must agree to. So these are things that we understand about the Ripple and XRP effect and the decentralized nature of them.